What is up, Breezy gang? It's your girl Breezy back again with another video. Okay, so I know I keep saying I'm gonna do it. So today I'm gonna be doing a video on my hair. So this is how it was yesterday. I had a long night. Didn't feel like taking my hair down, so just went to sleep. Okay, so I'm gonna show y'all the products that I'm gonna be using today on my hair. I'm gonna show y'all basically the whole routine of me parting my hair, moisturizing my hair, all that stuff. So first I'm gonna be using this. I'm pretty sure everybody know what this is. You can get this from Sally's. You can get this from any hair store, really. It's, I mean, it's like $7, $8, or whatever. It depends on where you go. I'm gonna be using that. Scrunchies. This. My spray bottle. And my Bella Curls. Everybody know I love my Bella Curls. It's the, I don't know if y'all can see. It's the curl defining cream. You can get that actually from Walmart, Dollar General. You can get it from anywhere really. And this is the Jireh Edge Control. I actually gotta get some more, but you can order this offline. Just go. I'm gonna put their link in the description. So let's get started. What is up, y'all? So I'm about to take down my hair. Man, like I look toe up, y'all. Like, oh my god. But yeah, I'm just taking out my twists or whatever. Like, cause the night before, I think I was like at my sister-in-law's house and we was like drinking or whatever. So that's why I look the way I look right now. All right. So there go my retarded spray bottle. Bro, look at my hair. Like, I really look so good. At first, I didn't want to spray right. I had to get it together. Like, I don't want to spray right. All right, so as you see, you know, I put it in a fast motion because I was like, yeah, it would have just took too long. So I'm just doing that, getting it all wet, and then I'm gonna proceed to put my moisturizer on. My Bella curls. All right, yeah, I got some thick hair. Like, oh my god, my hair is so thick. It's actually long. Like, it looks short, but it's actually long. My shrinkage is like real. Looking like who did it and what for? Jesus. But you know, I've been telling you I wanted to do a tutorial. Okay, so first I parted. Please do not mind my part may look like kind of uneven, but it ain't gotta be perfect. You just parting it and moisturizing each section of your hair. Cause I can't really see in the back, so I really don't know how it look, but I just know it's parted some type of way. So get that. Then you take the Jamaican oil and then you like put it around like your edges. I don't know if I put it around my edges, but I know you put it like in the middle, cause that's where some of my shrinkage is. Like, I got really short pieces. But yeah, you do that. Mix it all in if you got left over. Oh, I didn't put it around my edges, but you can. You pour it into 4 and you just, you know, section it off. Okay, now you see I poured it into 4 and Now I'm about to, well, I took out the part where, I poured it, put into, two more, but, now I'm about to take it out one by one, and I'm about to comb it out and put more moisturizer, because y'all know my thick hair, baby, it needs it. Now, my hair is curly, but I have those, like, tight, tight curls, and they're very aggravating sometimes. So I have to, do things to bring them out. And there's the purple comb. I have to comb out my hair. Like, y'all, I might get a silk press one day. Not during the summer, though. I should have did it in the beginning of the year, but guess I'll wait till it get a little bit longer. Cause I need to get a trim, too. But anywho, so I'm just combing it out each part. Then twisting it. Okay, now as you can see, I combed it out, put it into my little balls or whatever. Alright, so now I'm about to take them out and comb it all together. But always gotta re-comb through it. Make sure them naps is gone. Because I actually washed my hair prior to me doing that. I actually washed it that night. So that's why it's like low-key kind of easy for me to comb through it today. But yeah. Like my curls is popping. But see, when I get them ends cut, baby, y'all ain't gonna tell me nothing. Cause my hair will be looking better. But so yeah, I'm basically gonna be combing through these. Y'all be feeling myself. Don't pay me no mind. So I'm gonna actually comb them all together. Bum, bum. Okay. So that's combed through. Cause y'all already know. Y'all gotta get the middle of that head. For those who have thick hair, the middle is the important part. Cause most people comb out just the outside of their hair. No, baby, you gotta get to the roots. The root to the tootie. I'm losing my voice. But so yeah. I'm gonna do the rest to the back, and I'll be back. Okay, y'all, I'm back. I combed out the front and the back. So I'm gonna add it all together. Cause like I said, I was just showing y'all my routine of how I getting kind of caught there. That's another reason why I hate that. My hair be getting stuck in a scrunchie. But I'm gonna be putting it up. So I'm gonna put both of them together. I can't wait till I'm able to put it like in a full blown ponytail. I mean I can, but it's gonna have to be like a low ponytail. But that's why I try to stretch out my hair as much as I can. But yeah, so I'm about to do that. Baby, toe up. I tried. But yep, that's how I poured, moisturized, gang. Okay, oh, alright, career. I'm stupid. Okay, so now I'm about to put them all together. Gotta, get that edge control, that Jireh. Yes, and I will be putting it in the description so y'all can go order y'all one. So gotta do that. I gotta get some more But, so putting that on there. I need some music. Music coming soon, y'all. But so after I do that, you know, I'm gonna brush it all together, and I'm gonna show y'all the finishing touch. Okay, so here it is. I actually have one more thing that I do, because as y'all can see, I have a little spot right there from pulling. Like when I do my twist, I think I pull too hard. So I'm about to, once I fix them edges, yes girl. So as I fix that, I'm gonna show y'all, you know, my little trick that I use to cover it up. So if I'm to look. Alright, so y'all probably like, what in the hell is she about to use? But this is what I use. Cause who wants to walk around with a bald spot in the big, like in the front of their hair? Not me. So you just don't put too much, but you know, put enough to blend it. So then you know you bring it down so it won't look uneven and whatnot. And there you go. See, it's like it's never there. And that's my puff. Put a little bit more, because y'all know I love my sideburns to be out. Sometimes I curl them up, but today I just want them down. Yo, that edge control is the bomb. Sometimes they have sales, so I'm going to put it in the description below. And voila. So love you guys. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe on my videos. There'll be more to come.